Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email on the updated version of Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you should see on screen that you have been updated to the latest version of the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. That's fine. So let's now go to the top left hand corner on the screen where we see new email. If we hover over this, we can either create a new email, event, or a new contact. In this tutorial, we are looking for a new email. Let's click on that. And that should open up in the same window where we have our inbox. So let's now send this email to ComputerScienceVideos@gmail.com. That's fine. Let's now compile the email. Dear CSV, thank you for your email. Kind regards. Sent from the admin. And now, before we send, let's now click on this arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen for more send options. Click on that, schedule send. This should now open up a prompt on screen that allows us to set the date and time. So today is the 20th of December, and we will now have this scheduled for, let's just say, 7:30. Or let's just say 7:28. That's fine. Click on OK. Do you want to send without a subject? Yes, we do for the moment. That's now been sent on an email schedule. So let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, enter to open up the application. Let's go to Gmail. And now let's wait about 15-20 seconds. We shall see the email pop up on screen as part of that schedule email. Any second now that should show up on screen. And there we go. Let's click on this. Dear CSV, thank you for your email. Kind regards. That's fine. We can now quit Google Chrome. Let's now go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.